All right, guys, Pop here again. Still winter in Mississippi, the first day of February, so it's still kind of cold. But every now and then, Nana and I will splurge and we will purchase something from Temu or Sheen or someone like that just to kind of add to our outside summertime hangout, which is we do have a above the ground pool here, but these are some lights we ordered to go on top of these posts that are solar powered and just give us a little extra light and light up a little bit. But I'm going to open these up. They came well shipped in a bigger box. Since we ordered two of these, they were in a bigger box. Right off the bat, we got our user's manual. So user's manual has several things, and then we have our light base. So this is designed to be kind of universal. I believe this would go on a 4x6 or 6x6 if you need it. But we needed the 4x4 post. So on the bottom, it's got an on-off switch. Definitely make sure you flip it to on before you mount it. We're just going to take it and I'm going to set it right here. And I'm glad it's a tight fit. We'll go through here and get these on and just slide them on there. I may or may not put a screw in them, knowing that they're that tight of a fit. Going to like that. It's going to help out a lot. And that's all we're going to do this morning for this project. Got a few others we're going to do. But if you ask Nana, she'll say I'm always trying to do something. But when you do take them out of the box, of course, you pull that and that activates that little rechargeable battery, and then absolutely make sure it's on. And they're good. If you, yep, you can see it light up when you put your hand over it, so you know it's on. And I do like the fact that they fit like that. That'll also keep water from going down that post. That's where you see a lot of posts rot, is when water goes down in them, which can create problems and cause issues for those of us not wanting that to happen. Because what end up happening is you have to replace them. It's just another expense or something. I think it's just real good to have some type of protection. Well, I'm gonna drop all those pieces there. You never know, we might change something. All right. Getting these unboxed. These are actually boxed very well. So if you're interested in these, I'll try to put in the description or somewhere where at least the reference, so you can go to it on Temu. But I have been, we'll see how they hold up over the summer. We had some other type of lights up here for the last year, and they did not hold up. We have a grandbaby that'll be out here a lot next year, and what we don't want him to do is be his first summer where he's able to be mobile. We don't want him falling off the edge, so Pop's gonna fix that for him because him and Nana will be out here a lot. All right, that's the end of that. Got that done. I'll fix that in post down there, and on to the next project. Please like and subscribe. It's a new channel for me, just trying to get some basic DIY stuff done and just do some reviews. But I will come back this summer and keep y'all posted on these. Maybe post a picture of them at night. Alright guys, wanted to show you all the lights that we installed today. One of the things you guys, some of y'all might be interested in, I did get these posts rough cut from a gentleman up the road who has very good lumber, but I wanted to show you all the measurements here. On this rough cut, he did cut it 3.5 by 3.5, so you can tell that that light fits perfectly on that 3.5 by 3.5 for this application.